In this video I am going to make my own air compressor tank, compressed air, which will store compressed air, and I am going to try this out for the first time. I have never tried this and I am not sure if it works or not, but I will give it a try and maybe it works. So I don't have to buy the compressor tank, which will cost somewhere around $80 to $100, and I am going to use this stuff which is used for water transportation, and it's flexible and it's made out of, its inner layer is a rubberized sort of material, and at its outer layer is these fibers type weave pattern, so it will be quite strong and maybe it will hold at least 100 psi of pressure. This stuff is around $1 per meter long, so it's very cheap. So if it works, then I will be very happy. So now it's time to see that whether it works or not. I am using this fridge compressor, and this is line coming out of it, and this is a modified fridge compressor. And so now let's see if it pressurizes or not, or what kind of pressure it can hold. So first of all, I will attach our line, pressure line, to this port. And I will put this screwdriver in this, if it fits. Yes, it fits, so that no air can come from this side. So now let's turn on and see what happens. And also I have put water on here, so if it leaks we may see bubbles, so it's easier. So now let's turn on our compressor. Looks like a torpedo or something. Yes, so we want to stay away from it maybe, but it will not rupture because these are very tight woven cloths and fibers, and they don't, I don't think that they rupture. They may leak, but they will not rupture. So now I feel it. Yes, it's pressurizing, and I can still, it's not a lot of pressure, but it is pressurizing. Oh no, it's leaking. It's leaking from somewhere here. There is, I can feel air, and also I can listen, hear hissing sound. Let's see from this side. Yes, it's also leaking from this side. Let's see if it, oh no, this is nothing pressure. It did not move at all, and it's also leaking, so it's complete failure. I hope you liked my fail experiment. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.